Today I'm working on a 2011 Volkswagen GTI, just doing a bunch of repairs, replacing intercooler, radiator, front end collision, and also updating the timing chain while we're doing all this stuff. So when I pulled the cover off, you can see that there's silicone, like a grayish silicone used everywhere rather than the black factory stuff, which in itself isn't a problem, but they used way too much. Did a really thick bead of it, and it's all overhanging into the inside of the engine. This is not a good idea for several reasons. It doesn't seal any better when you add a ton of silicone. It doesn't really make a difference, and it's likely that the inside edge will peel off and drop into the engine and potentially starve the pickup. You know, it can cause, these pieces of rubber don't break down with motor oil, and they can plug up your pickup and cause a problem. So just use there's a little groove here. Just do a thin bead along that sealing surface with the factory sealant or a nice black silicone. It's a good idea. And also, these were the screws that were used, which is crazy. You're better off just getting the correct factory ones, even if it takes a little bit more time. Or if you're not going to use the factory ones, at least use the same screw in all the different holes rather than different lengths and styles and stuff like that. But yeah, whatever the case, that's it. So don't use too much silicone. Thanks for watching.